Previous class we studied about what is meaning of inheritance, what is base class, what is derived class, and the syntax for the derived class, and visibility modes. There are three types of visibility modes, that is private inheritance, public inheritance, and protected inheritance. So inheritance is a capability of one class to inherit the properties of another class. So there are different types of inheritance. Today's class we are going to learn what are the different types of inheritance. So single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, or hybrid inheritance. These are the five inheritance we are going to study today. Single level inheritance or single inheritance is a process of creating a new class from the existing class. That is, we are creating from the base class, we are deriving a class, that is derived class. So single level inheritance is a process of creating a new class from already existing class. Then it is a single level inheritance. The data members and member functions of the base class are the data member and member functions of the derived class. The members of the base class become the members of the derived class also. The next type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. Deriving a class from another derived class is called multi-level inheritance. You can see here the example: base class and intermediate class, derived class. That is, grandfather is a base class. From grandfather you are deriving father. From the father you are deriving the child. So from already derived class you are deriving another class, then it is called multi-level inheritance. That is, base class is there. From this base class you are deriving the class, that is class 1. Again you are deriving from the class 1 one more class, that is class 2. Then it is called as multi-level inheritance. Deriving a class from already derived class is called multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance. A class can be derived from more than one base class is known as multiple inheritance. So from more than two base class, that is here A and B are the two classes, two base classes. From two base classes you are deriving a class C, then it becomes multiple inheritance. For example, there are two class, one class is king and the other class is queen. So you are deriving a prince from the king and queen, then it becomes a multiple inheritance. So from two or more base class, if you are deriving a class, then it is called as multiple inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. If a number of classes are derived from a single base class, it is called as hierarchical inheritance. That is, from only one class, that is base class, you are deriving many derived classes. That is derived class 1, derived class 2, derived class 3, then it becomes an hierarchical inheritance. For example, college is the base class. From the college you can derive second com A, second com B, second com C. So then it becomes from one base class you are deriving many derived classes. That is, if number of classes are derived from a single base class, that is, there is only one base class and you are deriving multiple, that is many derived class, then it is called as hierarchical inheritance. The next type of inheritance is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of both hierarchical and multi-level inheritance. As you can see, you have both multi-level, that is, from already derived class you are deriving another class, and hierarchical inheritance, from one base class you are deriving more than one derived class, then it is called a hybrid inheritance. It has the features of both hierarchical as well as multi-level inheritance. So there are five types of inheritance: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. These are the five inheritance that is important. For 5 marks they might ask you what is inheritance and different types of inheritance. You have to explain with the diagram and the explanation has to be given.